Welcome to the Dragonfruit IPConfigure client installation tutorial, which will cover how to upload video directly from your IPConfigure VMS to Dragonfruit. This can be accomplished in 4 easy steps. First, create a new location. Next, download the IPConfigure client on your local machine. From there, connect Dragonfruit to your remote storage server, and finally, select the cameras whose feeds you'd like uploaded to the Dragonfruit cloud. Create a new location by clicking on the magenta plus button in the top left corner and select New Location. From here, you'll want to name the location as you want it to appear under the Locations tab. Now select your VMS. You'll want to select the IPConfigure VMS. From here, you'll be met with a page to download the client and connect it to the remote storage server. Remember, the installation of the client should take place on your local machine. You'll want to click Download VMS Client and then select Save File from the corresponding prompt. You will now be able to fully install the plugin. The complete installation may take a couple of minutes, and from there, you'll want to start the Dragonfruit client for IPConfigure. Once the client window opens up, copy and paste or enter the connection code from the Dragonfruit website into the client window. After this, you'll be asked to select a temporary storage location or folder on your machine in which Dragonfruit can store files before uploading. From this point on, the next steps to configure the Dragonfruit client will be conducted on the Dragonfruit website. The next step on the website will be to connect to your remote storage server, which will require you to enter your storage server name, the username and password for it, and the corresponding IP address and port. Now the storage server will connect, which may take a minute. Once the connection is complete, you will be asked to select the sources you would like to upload to Dragonfruit. This can be changed later in settings. Once this is done, the name you provided under the storage server name and the sources you selected will be available under the location you created and their corresponding videos. The Dragonfruit client will export the videos from IPConfigure and push them to the cloud now. Dragonfruit will upload video every 10 minutes, and from here, video can be viewed or searched on for objects, such as people and vehicles, based on characteristics, source, and time. Once videos are processed, they can be viewed and searched on with Dragonfruit's powerful video analytics tools.